So we're just going to do a quick unhook of this trailer, and we said why not talk you guys through it. So we unhook the lights, and we have a handy little separator thing that Tom did to make life easier, so we're not constantly using adapters. So you got your round and your square pin. Then you can take off the first shackle, and a little tip is you can take that shackle, and with this Ifor Williams hitch, you just flick it back and then flick it up and then pop that in there, and that will keep that open. So then go ahead and take off your second shackle and just put that back on there so we don't lose it, and then we'll put up the handbrake, and then just make sure your jockey wheel is down, which I've previously done already, and then just loosen it up. It's always a workout loosening the jockey wheel. It might be lifting the car as well. So I'm just going to, there you go. And that is how you take off a trailer from a car.